Hi guys, welcome back to Kali J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how to prepare this amazing Jamaican stew peas. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Kali J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's KaliKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Kali J's Kitchen. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go in and add some water to my pressure cooker, and then I will go in and add my red kidney beans. Of course, I'm gonna add some garlic, and I will also go ahead and add my corned beef. Please note, guys, that if you don't want to use corned beef, you can always go ahead and use chicken foot, chicken, pigtail, whatever you have at home. I went ahead, of course, and I boiled my corned beef at least twice just to remove that excess salt. And then I'm going to go ahead and pressure this for roughly about half an hour. All of these ingredients that I'm using today, you can get it at your local supermarket or grocery shop. Remember to be creative, remember to be you in the kitchen, and most of all, utilize whatever you have at home. You can visit your local meat shop, and of course, you will see different kinds of meat there as well. So after half an hour, this is what my red peas and my corned beef looks like. My peas is cooked. So what you can do, you can go ahead and take up a small amount of the peas and also the corned beef and just use your hand to just press into it. And if you press into it and it goes out very quickly, soft, you can always know that your peas is cooked. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go in, of course, and add my coconut milk powder. And if you have the authentic coconut milk, you can always go ahead and do so. Of course, you can't make stew peas without your spinners. So, of course, I'm going to add some spinners to this. And we're not going to add any cornstarch to our stew peas because it will thicken once it's boiled and cooked nicely. Some persons opt not to add any spinners to their stew peas, and that is okay. Like I said earlier, you just have to be creative. You just have to be you in the kitchen and just utilize whatever you have at home. Now, I will have my stew peas with some white rice. However, I know some persons normally have their stew peas with rice and peas, but you can always go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you like to have your stew peas with. It's either rice and peas or you have it with white rice. Tell me what you love. Now I will go in, of course, and add my seasoning, my onion, my scallion, my French thyme. If you have the fine leaf thyme, you can always go ahead and use it. And of course, I'm going to add some of my pimento berries, and I will also go in and add some paprika. And of course, I'm going to add some all-purpose seasoning, and you can always go ahead and taste just in case you need to add anything additional. If you have garlic powder, I will also add some of my garlic salt, and I'm not going to add too much because it's very salty. And you can always go ahead and check the description box for all of the ingredients that I'm using. So once I add all of that goodness, combine everything together nicely, and of course we add a Scotch bonnet pepper to this, and then we're going to allow this to cook down nicely until it is thickened, and then I will come back and show you guys what it looks like. Stay tuned because this was just amazing. It was so good. So this is it. My stew peas cooking down nicely. As you can see, it starts to thicken. You don't need to add anything to it to thicken, just allow it to cook down nicely. So once it's finished cooking down, I will show you guys the final product of this amazing Jamaican stew peas. Stay tuned. Remember to always taste just in case you need to add some more of your seasoning or you just need to add some more of your salt. So this is it, the final product of my amazing stew peas. Of course, I went ahead and add some white rice to this because why not? I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe, and I hope you guys go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think about this amazing recipe. Remember to subscribe to my channel. We're on our way to 10,000 subscribers. Help me get there by subscribing and sharing with your families and your friends. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you tomorrow. Bye.